What's up, guys? It's me, your boy Eric, and we're back here again, down here in Southern Alberta, where it's every day it's freaking windy. Every single time I want to do my car, it's just so windy. So we have a problem. Last episode, I did something with my headlights, but the problem is this. Yes, I know I kind of anticipated this, but surprisingly, there's only one headlight that has condensation, which is the driver's side. See? So I kind of know where I kind of screwed up on putting the seal back, but I'm not pretty like, see? This one's fine. It's okay. Nothing to worry about. But this one, condensation. But here's the thing. The bulb inside stopped working. Alright, safe to say, my halos and my demon eyes are still working, so that's great, but one of the HID is not working. So we have two problems. HID is not working, condensation inside the headlight, with this friggin' Southern Alberta wind. Let's try to fix it before I get into a car meet this Saturday. So let's get this bumper out again. Alright, after 20 minutes, I actually didn't count it, but I got the bumper off, and see how it's a rat's nest in here? My wiring is so crap. We're going to come back for it probably in the next, next season. But yeah, so the first thing we're going to do is get it checked, the HID on both sides, and that's actually my brother. Hi. Some other video, we're going to teach him how to drive manual because he insists. I mean, driving manual is a good skill to learn when you're young. You know, hand-feet coordination, it's a thing. So yeah, let's pull out the headlights and change bulbs, since the bulbs is like the easiest thing to remove from these headlights. Let's do it. Okay, so I got the HID bulb out. Focus. Okay, so this one was from the driver's side. My brother's holding the passenger side. So when you're holding bulbs or HID, LED, don't touch the bulb itself. Okay, not the filament. Well, the filament's what's inside, but you know it. This thing. Don't touch the bulb, and I'm pretty sure that this is the problem, but I still need to check if it's the igniter or the ballast that has a problem. it's so windy. But yeah, so this is 1 out of 3 tests. Okay, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna fail already, but since there's water inside, I looked it up in the forum. Ballast and igniters, they can withstand condensation. It should be fine. And plus, when I opened it up, there was a bunch of water there. So yeah. Okay, just as I expected, it's not the bulb. So now we know that it's either the igniter or the ballast, which is really pricey, by the way. And I'm really scared. So HID bulbs would run across $100 or so. Ballast $150. So I don't know, and I don't know if I want to call the dealership for that. Probably they don't have any in stock. Maybe I'll try the local Nissan dealership in here in Lethbridge, but it'll cost me an arm and a leg. I guess I'll just. Well, I'll fix the condensation first, and then I'll put everything back. Alright. So kids, if when you're doing any project with your car, don't half-ass it. Like I said on that video, I was half-assing it. So I will have repercussions like this. Where is it? Yeah. So this is probably around $200 worth of fix. Why am I vlogging this? Well, because, I'm trying to let you know not to do what I did. Don't trust me. But, it's fun. Vlogging is fun, showing you how I fix things or break things. Alright, so I'm inside because it's windy outside, and first thing to do when you're draining your headlight. Can you hear that? Yeah, that's a lot of water inside, so we'll try to get rid of it first. Let me just drain it, blow it with a hair dryer, and let's reseal the headlight. Alright, so I'm running a blow dryer through where the HID was, and I was like, you know what are the chances of me pulling apart the ballast? So here we have the ballast. I took it out. It was being held with 3 screws, and then inside there was 2 smaller screws and this clip. And on observation, since this one was flipped, right, because it's upright, it's supposed to be upright, all of those water were just sitting on the bottom, and it was seeping through this. This is actually pretty amazing. Inside is a jelly. I'm not pretty sure if there's supposed to be a jelly there. So I don't know. But it looks like it's a protectant. I'm guessing it was short circuit inside because it was, filled with water. Yikes. But yeah, we'll see on the next one. Let's see if it made any progress. Oh. Yeah. Surprisingly, it worked. That's crazy. Well, I just put it like that because, I know that I wasn't really sure if it was gonna work, but it works. So that means I can keep $150-$200 in my bank account. So that's great. Now I just have to put everything back. Well, not really, because it's not fully dry yet. I don't know why. And there's a piece coming off inside. So yeah, I will definitely go back and fix all the problems that I did. Thanks guys for watching me fix things. So I'm just waiting for that one big thing that I ordered that hasn't even shipped yet. So we're just here going to do a bunch of tints in my car. The DRL, that brake light, and that one down the thing that doesn't really have any bulb. It's just there. People actually do things about it, like they replace this to something else with, they make it as a 4th brake light and a reverse light. But I'm not gonna do that because I'm too hot for that boy. I'm kidding. So yeah, we're just racing out this Z, unfortunately. So yeah. Alright, so I'm not going to details with vinyl wrapping or window tinting because I am not professional. There's a bunch of YouTube videos out there, YouTube content creators with, vinyl wrapping, like Premium Auto Styling, CK Wraps. Those are the 2 content creators that I watch to learn how to do vinyl wrapping. But yeah, enjoy this clip that I made just randomly tinting, accessory lights. Why? Because I want to black out the Z. Well, if you haven't subscribed yet, I think this is the perfect time to go down there and hit the subscribe button. And if you're having fun, if you like this video, hit the like button. And it would definitely make me so happy if you did. But then again, I'm not your dad, so you do whatever you want. It's funny to think that 10 years ago I wasn't really into cars. I wouldn't know the difference between a Lambo and a Ferrari. Like, what the heck? But, after the first time I got my license and my car, which was a 2009 Mitsubishi Lancer, I fell in love with the idea of car modding, and I'm just kind of disappointed that I didn't document it like this back then. I mean, I could have done it, but I was too busy with my own life. Vlogging wasn't an idea back then, so nothing is impossible, really. Like, everybody would say, yeah, nothing is impossible. Oh, I can't do this, I can't do that because I don't have time for this, I don't have time for that. You have to make time. You gotta keep doing it. When I was young, I was more into, art and music. So yeah, you just gotta stay committed and give time to it. And I'm really, really glad that I started, vlogging with Underdog Media. It's a great outlet, really. Like, I wouldn't know what to do if I wasn't vlogging this. I just want to share, the struggles and the knowledge that I get from doing all of these DIY stuff. So yeah, enjoy the end of phase 1, which is, I never really explained what phase 1 is, but phase 1 is just mainly minor cosmetics. So I did the taillights, the headlights, tint a few lights, painted the tailpipe, added a license plate frame. It's budget friendly, really. I mean, I'm going to show you the breakdown of how much I've spent so far. So there's going to be a bunch of faces. Obviously, there's going to be tire suspension, forced induction. So if you're really into that, and hit the subscribe, don't forget to subscribe. Some of them are not priced because I already have them. I really hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and I'll see you on the next episode, okay? Take it easy, folks.